Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing one of the coolest tech hacks I've tried. I literally did almost nothing, and bam! A fully functional chatbot was created right before my eyes. Let's dive in. First, I fired up Google and searched for Warp Terminal. I landed on their official site, downloaded the version for my OS, though I was already set up, and got ready to see some magic. Once inside Warp Terminal, I hit Control plus space to open up agent mode. Instantly, I was greeted by the chat interface powered by Claude 3.7 Sonnet. It looked sleek and ready for action. Then came the magic moment. I typed in my prompt asking for a complete chatbot built with HTML, CSS, and JS. And just like that, within seconds, the terminal whipped up all the necessary files with full code for the chatbot. Every single file was generated automatically, from the HTML structure to the CSS styling and the JavaScript functionality that makes the chatbot interactive. I then opened the index.html file in my browser and voila, there it was, a fully operational chatbot ready to chat. Honestly, it's pretty wild how a single prompt can transform your terminal into a code factory. 1 minute, you're typing away, and the next, you've got a working chatbot at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, folks. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech experiments, and let me know in the comments if you've ever seen something like this. Catch you in the next video.